D&Js.
Birthday present from Judy. Pretty sure I know what it is, but let's find out anyways. So. Alrighty, we have, oh my god, a new blender and a new coffee pot. I need scissors.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I got the packet stuff.
Thought she was just sending me the glass pot for the coffee pot. She sent me a whole new coffee maker. Awesome. Got our book. Handy dandy little book. Read before use. How to assemble your coffee maker. Or your, this one's the blender. I think we can manage this.
Not the coffee maker, Mom.
Nope, this one's the blender.
Yep.
Hamilton Beach. It's got settings on it.
So cool.
Grind, crush ice, dice or chop, puree your smoothie. There you go. There's a button, and the one mashed down literally says smoothie, which is exactly what we needed this for.
Ooh. My rock going away.
Let's see.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, God. Oh, and it's glass. I don't have to worry about anything happening with this one. Look how awesome that is. Big heavy duty one. So we use a lot of fruit, we make a lot of smoothies, and we burnt the engine up in our last one. This one is fantastic.
It has a little opening?
Yeah.
What does that do?
So you can pour it afterwards.
Oh yeah, for a drink?
See? Yeah, we can
Can
pour
I
our
come and join
smoothie
you?
out. We're going to make some here in just a little bit.
Mom, can I come and join you?
Yes. You want to come help me? We got another one to open. Yeah, we'll put
What's all
this one.
that stuff?
That's from the blender. Look, this one's a new coffee pot.
Ooh, coffee pot.
I don't think this one's taped shut. Looks like.
Oh, so we don't need these. I'll go put these back. Ooh.
Yay! And we got a handy
More
dandy
manuals?
little manual. We got to put these away so we.
This is so nice.
I know, right?
It's so clean.
And it's cool too because it's not yellow like the last one. The last one was 1983 yellow.
I call the box when we're done.
So what do we have in here? Oh, I think I pulled the bag off or something.
Hey, that's heavy.
Here you go. Throw that over there. We
Bye,
have the part that broke on the last one. Pot. Go.
I think I know. Didn't you tell her that you accidentally broke the pot?
Yep.
So maybe that's why she got you a new coffee?
Right. Isn't that awesome?
Oh my god. So cool. What should we name this one?
I don't know. What should we name this one?
Do we can we do that? I don't know. I don't feel safe anymore.
I think we should keep the name Kyle. I like the name Kyle.
Wait, we're not getting rid of our other Kyle. Wait, did we get rid of the
getting-
other Kyle?
No, the other Kyle's still in there.
Kyle,
But we don't need
Kevin,
him now. Look, this one's so much cooler.
Kyle, Kevin. What should we name that one? I don't think we should call it
Well,
Kyle.
we have to get rid of Kyle.
Kevin. No, we need Kyle.
Either way. we
Wait,
have
Kyle's broken,
brand new kitchen.
and they're both black. Oh my
They
god!
match.
It's like
Look
this
at
one
it.
like literally stabs the fruit.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be great at making smoothies. Well, thank you,
And then
Judy,
we
for
want-
the awesome birthday present.
Thank you.
We sure appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you later.
Bye bye.